Welcome to this BPOS Commander tutorial video. I will demonstrate how to use the tools built into BPOS Commander to run a pre-migration analysis as well as a speed test on Exchange public folders. Before the migration analysis can be completed, we must establish a connection to an Exchange mail server. To do so, click Add Connection, and then from the list, click Connect to Exchange Server. And then in this window, you may enter in the information of the user that you want to use to connect to the Exchange server. A time-saving element of BPOS Commander is its ability to auto-detect the Exchange server with just the user information. To use this feature, simply click Discover once you've entered in the user's credentials. Once BPOS Commander has found the server, click OK to view the newly created connection in the left-hand pane in Explorer view. Now we will add a connection to SharePoint Online. To do so, click Add Connection and select Connect to SharePoint Online from the list. And then enter in the credentials of the user you want to use to connect to SharePoint Online. This user must have administrative privileges. BPOS Commander can automatically find the site URL using just the user's information. To use this feature, click Get Site Collections once you've entered in the user's credentials. And then click OK once BPOS has found the site URL. You can now view the connections in the left-hand pane in Explorer view. It may take some time for the connection to be established. A plus box will appear when BPOS is done. You can now view the SharePoint Online items by clicking the plus box. Now that we've established Exchange and SharePoint connections, we can run a pre-migration analysis on a public folder. To do so, expand the Exchange connection and right-click on the public folder you wish to analyze. And then select Pre-migration Analytics from the list. Next, click Run Analytics. In this window, you can alter several different settings such as how to split containers, as well as which events are logged. You're required to pick a target SharePoint node. When you're done, click OK. BPOS Commander is now running the analysis. When BPOS Commander is done, it will ask if you want to run a speed test. Click Yes. Now you must select the Source Exchange public folder. When you've made your selection, click Next. BPOS Commander can still estimate the migration time even if the folder size is too small. Simply click Yes. You must also select the target SharePoint node. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Click Start to have BPOS Commander estimate the time it takes to migrate your public folder. Once BPOS Commander is done estimating the time it takes to migrate your public folder, click OK, and then click Close. Clicking the Summary area reveals many useful statistics that BPOS Commander collected from the migration analysis and speed test. A useful piece of data is the total estimated migration time. This is an extremely accurate estimate of the time from Exchange to the BPOS Cloud or time to cloud for the public folder we selected.